let's have another practice. In this practice, we will need to calculate lots of ratios: return on capital employed, payback period, NPV, and internal rate of return. So we have a company that has invested 50,000 to buy a machinery that has a useful life of 10 years. The machinery will be used for project beta for 4 years, and then it will be sold at zero profit. The fact that it will be sold at zero profit means that we will need to calculate the carrying amount by that time. So what will be the carrying amount, which equals to sales proceeds, sales from this machinery proceeds? That would be 50,000 minus 50,000 divided by 10 years and multiplied by 4. So this means that we are going to take 50,000 and subtract 20, and it leaves us with 30,000. That would be whatever is received in the end.